Am I the only one who didn't know planes could take off from a floating runway? This is wild! Picture this, a sleek aircraft revving up on a runway built right on top of the ocean. No, this isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's real life. Welcome to the world's most unique airstrip, a floating airfield that defies logic and gravity. As the engines roar, the plane races down this aquatic highway, the ocean waves crashing just feet away, and then lift off. The aircraft soars into the sky, leaving behind only the glistening trail of the floating runway. Imagine the adrenaline, the thrill, the sheer awe of witnessing such a marvel. This isn't just a takeoff, it's an adventure in itself. Ready to chase the horizon? Hit that follow button for more incredible journeys.